Chief Whip Kaliang Persha uba PT Saukme ulapan pau kajing penut ke bakrau halor kajing pet na hado kat arngut ki amli kaseng kongres ki bakentup ya prangut narilum garo bat sangut narilum kasi. Habakran shikilat patai kobor uba PT Saukme ulaong bakadai ke kajing do ke bakrau bagi niki kat arngut ki mi no nakaseng. Bat ula kerpa diki para MLA bakin was no biang sashisin syakaseng kongres.
Incident that 12 of our party MLAs has left the party and switched to TMC. It is a very unfortunate thing that happened. That nobody thought that this incident may happen at the very first. Nobody knew about this incident. But from my side, what I have that I feel that the 12 MLAs who are living in the party, it is very unfortunate, because for the last 4.5 more than 3 years we have to work together in assembly that we this issue together. But now suddenly they have left. But intention about join of the new party, the TMC. But what I have from my side, but humble request to all the 12 MLAs, if possible, may consider back and come to the party. Because why I'm saying like that? Like Oli said before, that this incident happened only because that the Indian National Congress, the High Command from the Delhi, they have not been consulted Dr. Mukul before the Indian National Congress took a decision of appointing Mr. Vincent Pala as a president of the party. But if the High Command or the Indian National Congress was ready, I could have take Dr. Mukul into confidence. This thing may not happen. Because because we knew that Dr. Mukul have been developed in the party for a long time. But he loved the party very much. But because many times I met with him, when we discussed about the party organization, and in his heart, he didn't have no other intention than the Congress, to remain in Congress, strengthen the Congress, and the future of the Congress. But it is very unfortunate that suddenly he took a decision to leave the party. But what I can see from my side, that it is a great loss to all the MLAs, even the party as a whole. But my request to all the 12 MLAs, may reconsider back and come to party again. That negotiation will start again. But if you come back and have a discussion, let me settle the matter among Dr. Mukul and the party leader.